Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to crochet the body of the doll together. The video uses dark yarn to demonstrate. Everyone follow me. Like this, wrap the yarn around the left hand. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Next, we make a loop with crochet. Everyone do it with me. Crochet across the middle finger. Then the yarn is wound counterclockwise around the crochet and middle finger. Everyone do it with me. Pinch the intersection of these two wires with your thumb. Then move the crochet over the yarn. Then crochet and wind. Let's tie a slip knot first. Everyone do it with me. That's a slip knot. Next, we're going to crochet a chain stitch. Everyone do it with me. Be careful not to stretch the yarn on the left hand too tightly. Otherwise, it will be harder to crochet. It can be a little looser. So that's a chain stitch. This doll needs to crochet a chain stitch at the beginning of each round. Next, we're going to crochet the first single crochet. Crochet through the loop on the finger. Everyone do it with me. Then place the crochet on top of the yarn. Pull the yarn over. Now there are two loops on the crochet. Put the crochet under the yarn. Then pass through two loops at once. And the first stitch is crocheted. We put a marking buckle on it. This is the location. Did you see that? That's it. This is the first stitch of our first round. We need to crochet 5 more stitches in this round. Crochet through the loop on the finger. Everyone do it with me. Then place the crochet on top of the yarn. Pull the yarn over. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet. Pay attention to the yarn on the left hand. Don't stretch it too tight. Let it relax a little bit. Put the crochet under the yarn. Then pass through 2 loops at once. And that completes the second single crochet. Then crochet the third single crochet in the same way. The third single crochet is done. Continue to the fourth single crochet to complete. Continue crocheting the fifth single crochet. fifth single crochet is done. Continue crocheting the sixth single crochet. The sixth single crochet is done. Remember to count whether the number of stitches is correct. There are 6 single crochets in total. The crochet is done on the first round. We can also mark the buckle on the last stitch. This way we can easily find it when we crochet the next round. Then we pull this yarn tight. Do it with me. That's it. Then this yarn is left alone. Next, we're going to connect to the first stitch. That is to crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. This is the location. Did you find it? Crochet through. Like this. Everyone do it with me. Crochet the yarn and pass it through the loop. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet. We continue with the first loop through the second loop. So that's a slip stitch. It usually acts as a connection. Tighten the yarn. Then the start of the second round. You crochet a chain stitch. Do you remember how to crochet? Do it with me. It's a lock pin. Pull the loop a little wider. Then crochet increase in the first stitch. This is where the crochet leads. Increase means crocheting 2 single crochets in the same yarn. We're going to crochet the first stitch. The crochet goes through the first single crochet and is crocheted. Buckle the mark buckle. Then crochet a single crochet in the same stitch. It's still this stitch. Everyone do it with me. This is an increase. Then in the next stitch, also crochet an increase. Let's take a look. This is where you crochet a single crochet. Then crochet a single crochet in the same yarn. The second increase is done. I'm going to crochet for more increases. Everyone do it with me. The third increase is complete. The fourth increase is complete. The fifth increase is complete. Next is the last increase. The sixth increase is complete, and the second round is crocheted. Also mark the buckle on the last stitch. Next, before the third round begins, also connect with the first stitch first. That is, at the position of the first stitch, a slip stitch. That's where the mark buckle is. Everyone do it with me. Remember how to crochet a slip stitch. Everyone do it with me. A slip stitch is done. And then crochet a chain stitch. Everyone do it with me. That's it. Then crochet a single crochet at the position of the first stitch. That's where the crochet is done with the first single crochet. Buckle the mark buckle. The third round is regularly crochet with a single crochet, one single crochet, and one increase as a group. A total of 6 groups need to be crocheted. We've crocheted a single crochet. In the next stitch, crochet another one with a stitch. Everyone do it with me. So you crochet it with a stitch. One group is crocheted. Continue crocheting next stitch, crochet single crochets. Next stitch, crochet 2 single crochets. Everyone do it with me. So the second group is crocheted. The third group is also completed. The fourth group is complete. Fifth group completed. Last stitch crochet increase. So 6 groups are completed. There are 18 single crochets in total in this round. Let's count. After completion, connect it with the first stitch. That is, crochet slip stitch at the first stitch. Slip stitch is done. Then crochet a chain stitch. Crochet a single crochet at the position of the first stitch. Buckle the mark buckle. at the beginning and end of the fourth round, respectively. Next, crochet and increase. Everyone do it with me. One single crochet and one increase. One group is done. We're going to crochet for more. The second group is complete. The third group is complete. The fourth group is complete. The fifth group is complete. Crochet a single crochet at the end. The fourth round is complete. Mark the last stitch. Next, crochet a slip stitch on the first stitch. Then crochet a chain stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitch. After completing the first single crochet, buckle the mark buckle. The role of the fifth round is 3 single crochets and 1 increase is 1 group, 6 groups of crocheting. The second single crochet. The third single crochet. And 1 increase. The first group is done. Crochet 5 more groups in the same way. Everybody crochet with me. Second group completed. Third group completed. The fourth group is complete. Fifth group completed. Group 6 complete. Mark the buckle on the last stitch. The fifth round is complete. 30 stitches in total. You can count. Then crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. Everyone do it with me. The slip stitch is complete. Then crochet a chain stitch. Crochet a single crochet at the position of the first stitch. Buckle the marked buckle. The rule of the sixth round is, for single crochets and 1 increase is 1 group, a total of 6 groups. In the first group, we divide it into 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets. Place them at the beginning and end of the round. Everyone do it with me. Half of the first group is crocheted. Next, crochet the second group. For single crochets and 1 increase. Second group completed. Third group completed. The fourth group is complete. Fifth group completed. Group 6 complete. Finally, add the 2 single crochets from the first group. The sixth round is complete. Mark the last stitch. There are 36 stitches in total in this round. You can count. Then the next stitch crochets a slip stitch. That's it. And then crochet a chain stitch. We're going to crochet in the first stitch, the first single crochet. Buckle the mark buckle. The rule of the 7th round is 5 single crochets and 1 increase is 1 group, a total of 6 groups. Like this. Crochet the second single crochet in the second stitch. Third single crochet. Fourth single crochet. Fifth single crochet. Crochet another 1 increase. The first group is done. So follow me as we crochet along. Second group completed. Third group completed. The fourth group is complete. Fifth group completed. Group 6 complete. Buckle the mark buckle. Round 7 completed. 42 stitches in total. You can count. Also crochet a slip stitch at the position of the first stitch. Crochet a chain stitch. Crochet the first single crochet at the position of the first stitch. Buckle the mark buckle. Then you can crochet from the 8th to the 14th rounds in sequence. Each stitch corresponds to a single crochet. You've done enough practice. So you crochet rounds 8 to 14. Rounds 8 to 14. The crochet is done. Are you all crocheted? Now we're going to crochet round 15. First crochet a slip stitch on the first stitch. Then crochet a chain stitch. The rule of the 9th round is 5 single crochets and 1 decrease is 1 group. Crochet the first single crochet first. Buckle the mark buckle. At this time, we can install the doll vise. First stretch the loop. Remove crochet. Install eyes anywhere between rounds 10 and 11. Install it like this. 7 stitches between the eyes. That's it. Then put the gasket on. That's it. We continue to crochet. Now crochet the second stitch. The second stitch. The third stitch. The fourth stitch. The fifth stitch. Next, we're going to crochet at the crease. The crease is to synthesize 2 single crochets into 1 single crochet. We find the outer halves of the next 2 stitches. Like this. Everyone do it with me. There are now 3 loops on the crochet. Then pull the yarn through the first 2 loops first. Then pull the yarn, pass through the remaining 2 loops, and that's it. First group completed. Next, crochet 5 single crochets. Five single crochets crocheted. Complete. Next, crochet at the crease. Pick up the outer half of the last 2 single crochets. And that's it. Second group completed. We need to repeat this operation for more times. So crochet along with me. Third group completed. Crochet the last decrease. That's it. Also, the last stitch buckle is marked buckle. Then crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. You crochet a chain stitch. And then crochet the first single crochet. Buckle the mark buckle. The rule of round 16 is 4 single crochets and 1 decrease is 1 group, a total of 6 groups. Again, the first group needs to be split and crocheted. So half of the first group is crocheted. Next are 4 single crochets and 1 decrease. Second group completed. Repeat the operation more than 4 times. Finally, crochet the remaining 2 single crochets from the first group. And that completes round 16. Mark the last stitch. Crochet a slip stitch at the position of the first stitch. Crochet a chain stitch. The rule on round 17 is 3 single crochets and 1 decrease, a total of 6 groups. Crochet the first single crochet first. Buckle the mark buckle. Here we go. And that completes the first group. Repeat the above operation 5 times, 5 more groups of crocheting. And here's the last one. And that completes round 17. Crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. Crochet another chain stitch. Crochet the first single crochet in the first stitch. Buckle the mark buckle. Now we can put the fiber fill in the doll. Take out the fiber fill. Like this. Just put in the cotton according to your feelings. Let the doll swell. Okay, let's continue crocheting. The rule on round 18 is 2 single crochets and 1 decrease is 1 group, a total of 6 groups. Then crochet a single crochet. Crochet another decrease. The first group is done. Repeat the above operation 5 times, 5 more groups of crocheting. Let's crochet with me. Round 18 is complete. Crochet a chain stitch. The pattern of round 19 is 1 single crochet and 1 decrease is 1 group. Crochet 6 groups. Buckle the marking buckle at the position of the first single crochet. Just crochet according to the rules. Everybody crochet with me. Round 19 is complete. Crochet a slip stitch at the position of the first stitch. Crochet another chain stitch. You can go to the doll again here. Put in some fiber fill. That's about it. We continue to crochet. Round 20 crochet 6 decreases. Let's crochet a decrease with me. Two decreases. 3 decreases. 4 decreases. 5 decreases. 6 decreases. Crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. That's it. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn over. And then we put a finishing touches on it. Everyone do it with me. Through the outer half of each stitch. And then we pull the yarn. Like this. And then finally, you hide the yarn. You can do whatever you want. And then you hide the yarn in the doll. That's it. The head is crocheted. The part of the head is the same as the first 16 rounds of the head. You can crochet it yourself. Next, do a seamless suture. Tighten through the position of the first stitch. Then wear it back from where the yarn came out. Like this. Finally, hide the excess yarn. Get up like this. Then cut the yarn. That's it. Finally, put the head into the head. Adjust its position. Next, we sew the mouth of the doll. Everyone do it with me. The second line under the eye. Sew a smiley face in the middle. That's it. Then tie these two yarns in a knot. Cut the yarn first. Then stuff the extra yarn into the doll. That's it. And then the body is crocheted. See you in the next video.